quick video. I'm saying we because my husband is just hiding in this. He has super camera shy. So he actually got this amazing idea of how to upcycle food to reduce your food waste, and especially now it's even more important. I mean, food waste in general is important, but now during the lockdown you don't really want to go to the shops to get more food, so why not to reuse your food instead of wasting it? So this is the idea we have for today. We're gonna film in a few days with the, different food ideas. So let's start from this one. Burrito with a twist. You will need. So from yesterday's dinner we have this rice mixed with veg left. So this is our food waste, that would be the leftover food that, if you wouldn't eat, you kinda would bin, or at least most of the people does that. Some veg.
Green pepper, half of the onions, defrost already soya meat, and open cans of beans.
So basically the idea is to use any food that you have open. How to? So we've always leftover food. What we're gonna do, we're gonna make a wrap. So we have some wraps, and we're putting the rice and veg mix, which is our yesterday's leftover dinner.
Which has already flavor.
Some soya meat. And just topping up in the veg. This is like super easy.
Beans to getting more moisture because it will be too dry.
Fold from the sides and one side roll to the other. There you go.
Just cover all ingredients and then squeeze everybody gently.
Okay, so the next step is we got some vegan cheese in here. This one is by the Wildlife, the cheddar flavor.
You just add it on the top. Getting more flavor.
And we're gonna bake this in the oven. So you need to preheat the oven at first.
160 degrees is enough. All ingredients are already cooked, so you don't have to be worried.
Just to melt the cheese basically and to warm up the food. Bake for around 15-20 minutes in 130 Celsius heat. And we're done. Ta-da! Your zero food waste wraps. You will need.
So for rice cake we need a cooked already rice, roasting vegetables, corn, peas, chili, to give you more flavor.
Well, basically any veg that you have at home will do.
Onion, garlic, which I sauteed already on a pan, and use the hands to mix together.
You can use any veg that you would have in your freezer to do with rice cakes, and if you don't have like fresh onion or garlic or chili, you can just use a powder, any spices.
If you keep your wet hands, it's even better for you. So you make it like a snowball, the portion make it like a snowball, and you're forming like a hockey ball. Flip on the second side. And it's ready. Put on a pan. More sticky rice is even better. Keep that together.
So next step is to fry this. So we're just preheating a pan. Art is using the sesame oil. You could use any oil you have at home, obviously.
Give a small fire because that's all vegetables, everything is already cooked, so you don't have to be worried. You need just crispiness.
Basically till the sides are looking brown, and then you flip around. Oh, it looks so good. If only you could smell this. Honestly, it smells so good. I'm getting hungry. rice cakes are ready and you can garnish by your desire. So Arthur made the
tomato curry sauce. In the middle of waiting for cooking stuff, you can make a quickly tomato curry sauce.
If you would like a video on how to make different sauces, we can do that. And then for garnish, Arthur just made a salad.
Avocado, tomato and basil salads.
Rice cakes ready.
Enjoy, guys!
You will need
The leftover mashed potato. Just season this mashed potato so give enough more flavor. Add onions and garlic.
for more flavor. So we'll need as well some veg. So in this case, we're using what we have in the freezer. So it's peas and corn.
Try don't put too many vegetables, so mash will keep all together. Cake when you're ready to put on the pan and roast. And try keep it like 30% till 70% of mash.
How to? Any veg basically you have in your fridge or freezer would work.
So now we are forming again like snowball. Squeeze properly. Form like a hockey ball and roll. Squeeze and roll. Tap. And roll. Later flip on the second side, making it the same way. Gently tap.
For this, we need the pan and use again any oil you have. Artie is using the basil oil. So the cakes are ready. So you can garnish it whichever way you prefer. We have some salad, avocado, tomato, basil, and then tomato sauce that Arthur just made. But as I said, you can garnish whatever you prefer.
Whatever you've got.
And whatever you got, yeah. That's how the sauce looks. The fresh tomato sauce. Oh, that looks so yummy. If only you can smell this as well. So good. Oh, that's yum. Some herbs on top, and here you go, done.
Enjoy, guys.
Bon appetit. And that's a large and that's a last dish of the food waste that you would have normally with food waste in general. So if you cook like a big amount of a food, you could just straight away freeze it so you can reuse the next day or later on. Or if you cook too much and you forgot to freeze it, instead of throwing it away, put it in the fridge and then do something like this, like me and Arthur did today. So we really hope you found this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more, and leave a comment down below if you're gonna go and try this in your house, or if you have more ideas how to reduce your food waste and what to do with this. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Enjoy your food, guys. See you soon.